This session will deal with the autofill and efficiency using Excel. Autofill creates a series of entries based on the data you enter in one, two, or more cells. We are using the Excel file named AutoFill. If you select two numbers, 6 and 9, get to the right bottom here at the drag or fill handle, you click and drag down. Excel knows how to continue with the same series, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Just remember that Excel is actually performing a linear regression, which I will explain later. Once you establish a column on the left or on the right, you can select the two numbers on the adjacent column. And instead of dragging, you can just double click, and Excel will use the same idea for the autofill. Monday, Wednesday are not numbers, and Excel knows how to continue every second day. If you double click, you'll notice Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, 2 days apart. How does it know to deal with these days that are not numbers? It's actually using the custom lists. To find the custom lists in Excel 2010, you go to File, Options, and then under the Advanced, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and find the Edit Custom Lists. These are the lists that are part of Excel at the moment that behave like numbers, and you can add, as I'll show later, some of your own lists. First, second Excel knows how to continue. First quarter, second quarter will never get to fifth quarter. June, September are part of the custom lists that you just saw. They are 3 months apart, and if you double click, it will continue every third month. On the next column, you have two dates that are 7 days apart, and you will notice that Excel is doing the same thing. Using the autofill, it will continue every 7 days. August 12, August 19, August 26, September 2nd, and so on and so forth. On the last column here, you have two numbers. One of them is 0.5 and 1.25. They are 0.75 apart. What I did, I just used formatting to change them into fractions. The way to do it is use Format Cells or the shortcut Control 1. You notice that Control 1 is Format Cells, and what I did here, I used the fraction. And if you double click or drag down, it will continue in the same series. So how do you add or alter your custom lists? I am going to the sheet called Edit Custom Lists, and you'll notice in column H a list of the 10 largest bridges in the world. I am going to make them part of our custom lists. The way I'm going to do it, I'm going to click on File, Options, and under the Advanced, scroll all the way to the end and click on my Edit Custom Lists. Now I can click on the Import cell, select all these bridges on the list, and click on Import. And now the largest bridges are part of my custom list. This session demonstrated some of the autofill features of Excel. Just remember that Excel is actually performing a linear regression. You'll see it later in the session that deals with regressions in our statistics module.